How to manage settings and edit delivery addresses and time on Sainsbury. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm going to show you ways to manage settings and edit delivery addresses and time on Sainsbury. So for that keys, you have to first of all go ahead and open up a browser, and on the web address bar type in sainsbury.co.uk. And that's going to take you to the official page, and here go ahead and tap the login button and log in into your account. So when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the interface, something like this. So here I'm just going to go ahead and add a product to my cart and continue to the checkout procedure. So I've added the following product to my cart, and I'm going to go ahead and press the cart icon from the top right, and this is how it's going to look like. So over here, what you have to do is you just need to go ahead and press the checkout button. As you do that, it's going to take you to the page that will look something like this. So I happen to already order it or schedule the time, so I'm unable to do it this time. But then you just have to follow the procedure, and then you'll be able to see these two options, that is standard slot and saver slot. You could go ahead and select either one of it, and accordingly go ahead and select the date, time, price and all that. If you wish to schedule it to the following time, just go ahead and select that and click on the reverse slot button. Click on the confirm button, since I already have done it, so I have this option as reverse slot. And when you've done that, you just go ahead and scroll down a bit, and you can also select, whether it's afternoon, evening, whatever. You could go ahead and select that, and you will have successfully booked. And when you have actually booked it, you'll be able to see this sort of interface as booked. And that is how you could go ahead and manage, edit, and delivery address settings. And likewise, if you wish to go ahead and change your address, you just go to your home page or the cart icon. And when you are on the summary page, you could go ahead and select your delivery details and all that, and click on the change button, and you'll have successfully changed your addresses on them. So that is how you can manage settings and edit delivery addresses on Sainsbury app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.